Hey you guys, Lori Frederick here. Do you ever get in a rental car or find in your own car that you feel like your headrest is kind of pushing your head forward? Yes, I am the Ergo Ninja, that I drive with my seat all upright and I really like to have good posture and somewhere to rest my head on a headrest. Imagine that. But I'm in a rental car lately because my Jeep's getting fixed and I'm driving along. I had to make a stop because one, my headrest was bugging me, and two, somebody introduced me to these things that you can find at Murdoch's. Beside the point. But I felt like this headrest is bothering me, and I was going to try to take it off and turn it around, which, don't yell at me, safety people, sometimes works. But this one didn't come out. And then I was messing around with the button, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh, it actually has an adjustment that puts it back. Imagine that. Learn how your car works and all the different adjustments, and then you'll be better off. Here I was trying to figure out sitting up more or less, so still felt like I just had an awful posture, and look at that. It adjusts forward and backward. Cool, huh? So check all your adjustments in your car and make sure that you can just have that as a solution rather than get a whole new car, right? That would not be economical. Anyway, just thought I'd share this little point with you. I'll see you on the next video.